to Wayne County, where Redford Township officials say that they have identified 7 homes that need their lead service lines replaced. Now, township leaders are reminding the public about the dangers of lead. Gino Vici is on your block in the Redford Township Public Works area on Beach Daily with more information on how residents can get free lead filters.
Now, township officials say they do not want to alarm residents. This is more of an action alert for them than it is a health alert for the public. They say a certain percentage of homes tested at levels above the acceptable limit for lead. In fact, any level is unacceptable. But what this does is it helps the township identify homes where the lead service lines need to be replaced. The EPA limit for lead is 15 parts per billion. The homes identified tested at 16 parts per billion.
There are no issues with the water supply in Redford Township. Our water is supplied by the Great Lakes Water Authority. It is not a community-wide issue with the water. It is individual properties that we are working with to replace the service line that could be a hazard within their homes.
And so anytime you get to a certain amount of properties, you're required to notify the public?
Yes, if there is more than 10% of the testing sample that exceeds the 15 parts per billion, then we issue an action level exceedance, which we already had done late in 2023. This is a continuance of the existing action level exceedance alert that we are currently under.
And you're continuing your water filter giveaway?
Yes, what it is sponsored by the state through the Health and Human Services, and you have to be eligible. It's not a free giveaway. It is only for folks that are on Medicaid, that have children on Medicaid, and they have a pregnant person who is also enrolled in Medicaid. And they also have to either have a faucet or a solder in their home that's older than 2014. They have to have a lead service line or have lead or galvanized plumbing within their home.
Now, that all being said, residents who qualify can come down to the township offices to pick up a free lead filter. But again, there are certain conditions that have to be met in order to be able to get a free lead filter. In Redford Township, Gino Vici, CBS News, Detroit.